Hello, beautiful and amazing Pathfinders. It's Frida here again, and I welcome you all to another helpful video. Yes, today's video is all about this luscious body butter. Yes, stay tuned, don't go away, and let's get started. Thank you, Jesus. One beautiful thing about this body butter is that it is for all skin types. All right, it is for male and female. Daddy can use it, mommy can use it, kids can use it, grandma can use it, grandpa can use it, uncles and aunties. And you can use it in winter, you can use it in summer, all right? It is for all skin types. Whether you are dark, you are light, you are chocolate skin, it is for everybody. Honestly, that is one beautiful thing about this body butter. Try it out. I know you're coming back to the comment section to come and testify, all right? It is a very beautiful one. Try it out. You are going to love it on your skin, all right? And here is our mixing bowl for our body butter. Here we've got our base moisturizer. I know if you have been following me, you are already used to this moisturizer by now. Yes, it's one of my favorites. All right, so this is the base moisturizer that we are going to be using. Straight up, pouring it right into the mixing bowl. For my beautiful Pathfinders in Spain, you already know where to get this, okay? At Mercadona. And here we've got our olive oil. I am going to be using extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil is a very good one for your skin. It helps to moisturize your skin beautifully. It helps to hydrate your skin, thereby preventing your skin from losing water. All right, it helps to protect your skin against environmental damages. It helps to heal wounds because of the anti-inflammatory properties found in it. All right, some people have got acne on their skin. All right, not necessarily your face. If you know you've got acne on your skin, consider adding olive oil to it. It is a very good one. It helps to treat acne as well. This one right here is equivalent to 2 tablespoons. Okay. Right now, I'm going to be, I hope you can see it. That's 6 tablespoons and 8. All right, that is 8 tablespoons of olive oil. And here I've got castor oil. Castor oil, I'm going to be leaving this one for you, all right, as an assignment, okay? If you know you've been following me or you've not been following me, what you need to do is to look for one of my videos where I spoke about the benefits of castor oil. So I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of castor oil, all right? Yes. I hope you can see it. And here I've got Vaseline. Vaseline is a very good one for your skin. If you don't know, you have to know it now. Oh my goodness. Vaseline helps to moisturize your skin beautifully. It helps to hydrate your skin as well. Honestly, for one, I have tried it out. It helps to heal wounds faster. If you've got any wound on your skin or on your lip or wherever it is, just apply Vaseline. You see it healing up immediately. All right, so I'm going to be adding Vaseline to this body butter. Just as you can see, just add as much as you want, okay? I just added some, not really too much. And I'm going to be leaving the link of how I made this carrot oil in the description area. All right, I'm going to be leaving the link in the description area for you to see. It is a full package. Don't miss that video. So in that video, I thought about how you can achieve your carrot oil and the benefits of this oil. So if you want to know the benefits of this, which I'm not going to be speaking about right now, just click on the link in the description area and as well as the comment section for carrot oil and go and watch so you can get the benefits, and you will know that it is very necessary for you to add carrot oil to this. So for those of you that want your skin to be glowing like that of a baby, look for carrot oil, all right, and add it, okay? That's a tablespoon of carrot oil. All right. Yes, this is 2-in-1. The reason why I said so is because avocado oil is so packed with vitamin E, or vitamin E, however you want to pronounce it. But this one here is packed. Why? Because it is homemade. Okay? And I'm going to be leaving the link as well in the comment section for you to know how I made this. You can use it for your hair. You can use it for your skin. All right? It is a very powerful one for your skin, honestly. Now, because I'm going to be using this avocado oil, I'm not going to be bothering to add vitamin E oil. All right? So it is a 2-in-1 pack. All right, so you're getting the benefits of avocado oil, and at the same time you're getting the benefits of vitamin E oil. So why won't you click on that video so you can watch how I made this? Yeah, it is a very good one, and I'm going to be adding a tablespoon as well. All right, a tablespoon of avocado oil. Cha-cha! Lastly, I'm going to be adding this organic honey. Yes, if you're going to be using honey for any of your home remedies, please do well to look for the organic one, not the processed one, all right? So honey is a very good one for you. It has antioxidant properties, which helps to fight against skin damages, all right? It helps to fight against premature aging. So it has antiseptic properties, so consider adding honey, all right? It helps to clear acne, all right? Be it on your skin, on your body, or on your face, is going to help to eliminate acne from your skin as well. It helps to moisturize your skin beautifully, and it helps to brighten up your skin as well, all right? So look for the organic honey. Yep, that's 2 tablespoons of organic honey. And to have this goodness all mixed together, I am going to be using a blender, all right? And when you are done blending, just get any container of your choice, all right, and pour in your body butter. Oh my goodness. Can you see that? Can you see that?